crispy fried calamari with a spicy Arrabbiata tomato sauce. So we're gonna kick this off first here with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna let this start to warm up. And then we've got a couple of things we're gonna pour into this, right? Okay, a little bit of red chili flake. We've also got an onion and garlic. All right, we're gonna turn the temperature up just a little bit. Calamari, for the most part, can be a little bland if it's not well looked after and well cared for. So we're gonna marinate our calamari with a couple of really, really nice flavor combinations here. So we got some garlic. We've also got some lemon here. Okay, and we also got some basil. Now the basil is kind of a cool trick. We're actually gonna cook this along with the calamari itself. So we've got a mix here of rings and tentacles. We got the lemon, we got the garlic, we got the basil. We're gonna put this right on top, right? And then we're gonna soak it in milk. I've got some whole milk in here. The acid in the milk is gonna begin to break down the calamari and tenderize it a little bit. A little bit of seasoning right on top. We're gonna let this marinate for probably half an hour, and we're gonna be good to go. We're gonna give this a little stir. So we're gonna add about a cup of red wine to this. So we're gonna let the red wine start to cook down. I'm gonna turn the temperature up because I want to reduce slightly. And we're also gonna add some tomatoes to this. Take these tomatoes, we're gonna put these right on top, which is gonna be fantastic. All right, take a look at this stuff, guys. What we're gonna do is gonna create a little seasoning flour mix. Nice big handful of kosher salt. We're gonna take the calamari and the milk. We're gonna put this into a colander in the sink, and we're gonna drain all this out. Transfer it to our flour. Take a spoon, give it a stir. All right, we're good to go. Look at that. Okay. Now we want to separate the flour from the calamari. Okay. And then what we're going to do is take our tongs here, and we're going to put it in bit by bit. You don't want to shock the oil. All right. If you shock the oil, the cold temperature is going to take it down. And it's not going to get really crispy. It's going to level out to about 350 degrees, and that's kind of what we're looking for. Everybody in the pool? All right, let that start to fry. 5 to 7 minutes until it gets nice and crispy. We also have this beautiful Arrabbiata sauce, which is like a tomato sauce, a little chili heat. Fantastic.